Hope you all are doing well. So in today's lecture, I will tell you how you can set up Java on your MacBook within 5 minutes. So what you are supposed to do is just open your browser and hit this URL. I will provide this URL in the description. Here you can see the setup of Java for different operating system, Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So today's we are going to set up for the Mac OS. Here is the DMG file link. You just need to double click on this. It will download the DMG file. I have already downloaded the DMG file. So here is my DMG file which I have downloaded after clicking on this link. So you will see the .dmg extension for the DMG files. These are all the full archive files. So I'm going to refer DMG in this lecture. It is quite easy to set up the Java by using DMG file. So once you have downloaded the setup, you just need to double click on this. It will prompt you the installation screen. Just accept the terms and condition, click on next. After that, your setup will be installed. So once you have done with the setup part, the next step is to verify whether your setup has successfully placed over your machine or not. So for that, what you can do, just go to Finder, go to your library folder. Under library, you will find out there will be a folder created with the directory name Java. Under that, you will see Java Virtual Machine, JDK, Contents, and Home. It means Java has perfectly installed at our machine. Now, in order to set up the Java home variable path, environment variable, what we are supposed to do is just open your terminal. If you see now, if I try to see the Java version, oh, I have already set up in my machine, it will display you. But for you, like since you haven't set up the environment variable yet, if you try to run this command, it will not able to recognize the Java. So for that, what you are supposed to do is I'm going to show you now how you have to set up the environment variable path and what environment variable you have to set up. Just open your terminal. So you might have your zshrc profile. Open that profile. So this is the variable which you have to declare it here. So it's the same path which I was redirecting you. Can show you again. So this is the path which we have navigated, like under library Java, under Java virtual machine JDK 19, under that contents and then home. So we need to set up this path. You can set this path. Just open your JSH profile, then write this command export java underscore home is the variable name, and this is the value of this variable. So just add this value to your ZSHRC profile, close this profile, and sometime what happened that variable doesn't get declared. So what you can do, you can just run this command called source, and now if you run this Java version command, you should be able to see the Java version which you have installed at your machine. I'm going to provide you the URL and the variable, how a variable with value what you are supposed to add it in the description. This gonna help you to set up the Java at your machine. Hope you find it easy and helpful. Thank you.